Hello everyone and welcome to the project Hotel Booking Data Analysis Dashboard using Power BI. In this guided Power BI project, we are going to explore how to analyze hotel booking data and build an interactive dashboard using Power BI. The main objective of this project is to understand hotel booking trends, analyze important business data, and create meaningful visualizations that help in making better decisions through data analysis. We will begin by importing our hotel booking dataset into Power BI. Since the dataset is available in an Excel worksheet format, we can directly load it into the workspace. We will also understand how Power BI handles different file types such as Excel and CSV files using the Get Data option. After selecting the dataset, we will learn about the Load option and the Transform Data option. The Transform option opens the Power Query editor where data cleaning and transformation tasks are performed, while the Load option directly imports the dataset into the Power BI workspace for analysis. Once the data is loaded successfully, we will explore the Power BI interface and understand the purpose of the three important views available inside Power BI. The report view is used to build dashboards and visual reports. The data view helps us inspect and transform the dataset, and the model view is used to create relationships between tables. We will then examine the fields present in the hotel booking dataset, including booking ID, hotel name, booking date, arrival date, lead time, number of nights, guest details, distribution channel, customer type, country, and deposit type. During the data exploration process, we will also identify unnecessary or empty columns and remove them to improve the quality of the dataset. After cleaning and preparing the data, we will move towards visualization and dashboard creation. We will create charts and reports to perform time series analysis and evaluate key performance indicators related to hotel bookings. Through this dashboard, we will gain insights into hotel performance, booking behavior, and customer trends using interactive Power BI visualizations. By the end of this project, you will gain hands-on experience in data importing, data cleaning, Power Query transformation, dashboard design, and hotel booking data analysis using Power BI. Thank you.